Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Anis Mahiramuti Shamsu Akmar and I want to present about Chapter 3 Plant Morphology and Anatomy. Introduction to Plant Morphology and Anatomy. Definition for plant morphology is the study of external plant features. It examines physical form and structure of plants. Morphologists analyze plant organs like leaves, stems, roots, and flowers. Anatomy. Definition. Plant anatomy studies internal structures and organization of plants. It's also called phytotomy. Tools. Microscope reveal cellular details invisible to the naked eye. Staining technique highlights specific structures. Focus. Anatomy examines cells, tissues, and their arrangement within plant organs. They study how structure relates function. Morphology of flowering plants. Root system, the underground portion of the plant responsible for anchorage and absorption. Shoot system, the above ground portion consisting of stems, leaves, flowers, and fruits. Root. Anchorage. Root secures plants in the soil and prevent uprooting by wind or water. Absorption. Root takes water and minerals to the stem and leaf through xylem. Storage. Roots store carbohydrates and water which help plants survive in favorable conditions. Types of root system have two: taproot system and fibrous root system. Taproot system is the main root of a plant, grows vertically downward, has smaller lateral root branching from it, common in dicots like carrot and mango plant. Fibrous root system consists of many roots of similar size. The primary root is short-lived. Adventitious roots grow from the stem base. Region of the roots. Region of maturation. Cells differentiate, mature, and root hairs are formed. Region of elongation. Cells undergo rapid elongation responsible for growth in length. Meristematic region contains small and thin-walled cells and actively dividing cells. Root cap protect the tip of the root as it grows through the soil. Leaf. Photosynthesis. Leaf convert sunlight to chemical energy. They produce oxygen and food for the plant. Transpiration. Leaf release water vapor. This drives water movement through the plant. Gas exchange. Leaf take in carbon dioxide. They release oxygen through specialized pores. Main parts of leaf. Lamina, the green expanded part with the veins and veinslets, contain the midrib for rigidity and transport. Petiole, hold the blade to light. Flexible petioles allow leaf to flutter, cooling them. Leaf base, attached to the stem, may bear stipules in monocots, expand into a sheath. Leaf types and shapes. There's two types of leaf, which is simple and compound. Simple leaf, single undivided blade. Example, oak, elm, and maple leaf. Compound leaf, blade divided into leaflets. Example, ash, walnut, and rose leaf. Stems. Support function. Stems hold leaf up toward light. They elevate flowers for pollinations. Transport functions. Vascular tissue in stems conduct water. They move nutrients between root and leaf. Production functions. The stems help the plant grow new leaf, branch, and flowers. Storage function. Stem stores water and food to help the plant survive. Stem structures and type buds. Dormant shoot at nodes. Nodes is areas where leaves attach. Internodes, regions between nodes. Herbaceous, soft non-woody stems. For example, sunflowers and beans. Woody stems is hard stem with secondary growth. For example, trees and shrubs. Flower reproduction. Flowers reproduce male and female gametes. Pollinations. Flowers help transfer pollen with the help of pollinators. Diversity. Flowers' shapes vary to help different pollination strategies. Seed. Flower form after fertilization to protect and disperse seeds. Flower structures. Sepal and petal. For petal, create landing platforms, guide pollinators to rewards, protect reproductive structures. For sepal, protect developing flower part, support open flower, may be colorful in some species. Androecium, which is male floral part. Stamen, male reproductive organ consisting of anther and filament. Anther, pollen producing structure. filament, stalk-like structure supporting the anther, and the last one is pollen sacs, contains male gametes for plant reproduction. Gynoecium is female flower part. Pistil produce ovules and receive pollen for fertilization. Pistil also are consisting of stigma, styling, and ovary. Stigma receptive surface for pollen grains. Style tube connecting stigma to ovary. Ovary is contains ovules that develop into seeds. Flowers to fruit, which is fertilization process. First of all, pollination. Transfer of pollen from anther to stigma. The second one is pollen shoot growth. Pollen grain germinates and forms a tube to the ovule. Fertilization, male gamete fuses with egg cell to form zygote. Fruit development, ovary develop into fruit, ovules into seed. That's all. Thank you.